Exciting news in the tech world. Google Gemini has just rolled out a groundbreaking update that's set to revolutionize how we interact with Python programming. Imagine an advanced code interpreter that not only generates Python code, but also executes it within a highly sophisticated editor. But that's not all. This update isn't just about coding. It's about making Python more accessible and versatile. Whether you're into data analysis, web scraping, video editing, or image manipulation, Google Gemini has got you covered. The new editor supports a variety of libraries, making it a one-stop shop for your coding needs. What does this mean for you? Enhanced efficiency, streamlined workflows, and the power to bring your creative ideas to life faster than ever. Google Gemini is not just an update. It's a leap towards a more innovative and integrated tech future. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these features, showcasing how Google Gemini is setting new standards in the world of programming. Get ready to elevate your coding experience.